Is this the $65,000 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle issue number 1 first print comic? You'll have to watch till the end to find out. Patchy, come here. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi, Patches? This is my companion. Her name is Patches. She's a sweetheart. Ain't that right? Yeah. Pretty dog. Pretty dog. What is going on, YouTube family? It's Jason Thrift Trader coming back to you with another video. We are listing things today just like we have been doing the past couple of days. I wanted to come to you guys and show you guys what we've sold the past couple of days. We sold over $1,400 worth of stuff on eBay in 2 days. Absolutely amazing. Today alone, $939.84 so far today, and it's only 4 p.m. so we still have the rest of the evening to go. So no telling, maybe we'll break $1,000 today. Who knows? We'll see. Wanted to come to you guys with this video, show you guys what we've listed on eBay last night. I think it's going to be really interesting for you guys. There's a few comics that we listed, and some of them are really cool. So I wanted to show you guys those. Also show you guys what we have sold the past day or two. So definitely stay tuned. If you guys like this style of video, please let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so that you get notifications when we go live or when we post a video. So anyways, without further ado, guys, we're gonna get started. All right, guys, so the first set of comics that we got listed last night is the Crow number 1 and number 2. These comics are actually fairly hard to come by from what I've realized. And these can go upwards of $1,000 a piece if they were first prints. Upwards over $1,000. I've seen this as first print CGC 9.8 go for $1,300 and this one around $1,100 if they were first prints. Unfortunately though, these are third prints and the set we're asking $80 for. Here we have an official Marvel Universe sticker album from 1986. It's unused, nearly like new condition. There's no stickers in the album, and this we're actually asking $40 for. Okay, and here we have a lot of 4, the complete set series of Predator 1, 2, 3, and 4 by Dark Horse Comics. What year was this? 1989. And all 4 of these are in very good condition, bagged and boarded. They're not worth a whole lot, but we're asking $20 for it. Okay, anybody that knows Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle comics know that this right here is one to look out for. This is actually the 5th issue ever of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It is number 1 in a 1-issue micro series, Raphael, and they came out with a single issue micro series over every single one of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, starting with issue number 5. And this one right here is the first appearance of Casey Jones. It's a very low print comic, and this comic is unfortunately not CGC graded. I don't have any CGC graded comics, but it's in very good condition, and we're asking $100 for it. Okay, here I actually have 2 copies of the 4th issue of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. These are they're in pretty good condition, as you can tell, and we're asking $80 a piece for them. But this right here, this is TMNT Legacy right here, guys. Okay, and here we have issue number 3 of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. This comic was released in 1985. This particular cover, they do have a variant. This is not the variant cover, but the variant is more sought after, and it's where Laird's up here, Laird's is not in blue, it's more in white, and there's more white in this gentleman here too as well. This particular comic, not CGC graded, and in the condition that we have it in, we are asking $120 for it. Next up is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles issue number 2, the second ever made Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle comic. This was issued in 1984, and this is a first print, and it's in pretty good condition for its age. Again, you know, it's not CGC graded. I could probably pay the money to get it graded and get a little more out of it, but we've got so much to sell that we don't have the time. We are asking $180 for this. Alright guys, and this is the holy grail of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles comic books. This is issue number 1, TMNT 1984. This particular one, if you don't realize, all the other ones were first print. Is this one a first print? Oh, you thought you were going to find out. No, I told you gotta wait till the end of the video. So just stay tuned. And here, guys, we have Aliens 1 of 6 from Dark Horse Comics 1988. These are some really cool comics, guys. I don't know about you, but I thoroughly enjoyed the Aliens movies. Some of my favorite horror movies. Horror sci-fi, I guess. They're not worth a whole lot, to be honest with you, but collectively, we're asking $40 for these. And that's just the beginning of my comic book journey, guys. Here I have an entire drawer full of comics that I have to go through. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 comic book boxes. These are long ones too, these bottom two. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more comic book boxes right here. And right here I have 9 more comic book boxes and some change. So I've got my work cut out for me. Speaking of work, I'm going to show you what my shop looks like right now. And yeah, there's a lot to do. And this right here, guys, is why my channel is going to go more towards the reselling aspect of this ordeal for a little while, so that I can liquidate some of this stuff, make more room for more storage unit auctions. Let's take a look. So we've still got a lot of these boxes right here is personal paperwork. I still have to go through that. And then of course we've got this lamp here and all of this stuff. A lot of this right here is going to be yard sale material. Okay, but where do I put it? I have to store it somewhere safe because it's been raining a lot. I can't just set it outside. It would ruin. The clothing racks here, I'm only utilizing one for the listed inventory on my eBay. The rest of it, I've delisted off of eBay. I'm not even using it. So now those are going to be yard sale clothing. And then of course I've got all these boxes here. The front boxes here, that's all yard sale stuff. Back behind it is inventory for eBay. I just have to get it listed. These 2 clothing racks are going away. This is yard sale stuff. All of those shoes back there, the shoes racks, I have all those shoes listed on eBay and Poshmark. And then of course I've got all of this. 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 It's just never ending, guys. Most of everything on this side is yard sale, and most everything on this side is eBay and Amazon. All of these are books that I still have to go through, and we sell books on Amazon like crazy. But yeah, this is all eBay and Amazon. Tons of artwork here, guys. I will get to this eventually, and I will show you what we can't make out of the artwork. Artwork here, artwork right back there. This is really nice furniture, guys. As soon as I have my yard sale, we'll be making some money on it. You're getting a tour of the ridiculousness that I call my shop. There's LP records. I'll be selling these on Discogs. Yeah, we still have him or her, or it. There's the urn. A lot of this stuff, guys, just stuff everywhere. There's the curio cabinet. It's just a matter of doing at this point. A matter of doing. So that's not to mention, you saw my shop, but that's not to mention what I have in the truck. And let me show you this. Yeah, that's right. A truck plumb full. There's 4 storage units in there. And I simply don't have very many places to put it as of yet. So it's going to stay here where it's dry till I find some room. Guys, I could not believe it when we woke up this morning and all of these were sold. Seriously, we sold several today and sold several this morning, but these sold quick. And these are some of the active listings that are already gaining quite a few watchers on eBay. And it's pretty wild how fast some of these items are getting watchers and some of these items are selling. Look, I have 6 watchers on that Cerebus comic for $600. It's pretty amazing. The key to success on eBay is try to sell things that have high value and are highly sought after. That's the key to success. Two watchers on that East-West jacket. Alright guys, so I know that this is the moment you guys have all been waiting for. This is the entirety of this whole video was focused on this single comic book. And let me tell you something. If this is the first print, we've got a lot of money on our hands. A lot. And it's in pretty good condition. Okay? I'm going to touch this thing outside of the bag as very little as possible, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to turn the page. We're going to just turn the page and see what print this first issue Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle is. Third printing. Third printing. If this was first print, guys, we'd be looking at upwards of $65,000 if it was a CGC 9.8. But you know what? I can't complain. This fell in my lap. We're still asking $200 for this. So what do you think, guys? You like the video? I hope you guys do. We've been picking trash for quite some time. We've got like 18 units under our belt, somewhere close to it. So 18 storage units. We've bought 18 storage units. Now, we've been picking the trash. Now it's time to make the cash. So I really enjoy showing you guys what I've been selling. And I'm sure that you guys enjoy seeing the money coming in. Guys, if you're not watching my boy Storage Auction Pirate, this guy, he cracks me up, man. I've been watching this video. He's trying to open a safe using a crescent wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of scissors. Does he get it open with that? You tell me. At the end of the day, guys, like my buddy Storage Auction Pirate says, anybody can just raise their hand and buy a storage unit. That's the easy part. It's easy to buy storage units. You can give a monkey $5 and they can go buy a storage unit for $5. The hard part and the most important part is turning that storage unit into money, into cash. That's how we live. That's how we survive. Otherwise, this business is just throwing money away. So until next time, guys, keep on picking that trash and making that cash. Have a good day.